Today I want to demonstrate using watercolor paint. I want to paint this rectangle green, and I want it to be a consistent, smooth, flat color. If you mix enough paint at the beginning of the exercise, you can finish painting that rectangle very, very fast. Far faster than colouring with a colour pencil. And as painting is the most respected art form in the world, I think it is beneficial, advantageous for all of us to learn how to paint. So let us try to paint some of those two-dimensional shapes with a flat, smooth surface. Remember, this design is a worksheet. You are supposed to experiment with media. Most of us are happy using colour pencil and lead pencil, but paint is a dynamic art media, and you can get work done, cover areas very fast. Okay, I'm done. That's going to do me for now. Now, why I'm saying that is because here is exactly the same shape. I'm going to colour it with a green colour pencil, but you just watch, you time it, which one was done faster. I've got to create a consistent colour with my colour pencil. My argument is you can get an area covered faster with paint than you can do with a colour pencil. Even more importantly, the visual effect created by paint is somehow more satisfying than with a colour pencil, because the consistency of the paint is easier to control than a colour pencil. I'm working as fast as I can, and I want to get this area covered as quickly as possible. You. Now, which gives the better surface quality? Which gives a better consistency in colour? The fact that the pencil has a small nib means we are always going to see the marking of the pencil, and we cannot cover space very fast. You are always going to get some type of scratching. Which one looks better? Personally, I prefer the paint, but it is up to the student to find which media, which technique they prefer, and they must master that technique. Now, an advantage of using paint is that you could also use paint with colour pencil on top. This has got two sides, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I want to put in my direction of light. I've painted the whole surface. Now very quickly I can show the shaded area where light doesn't shine using a colour pencil on top of paint. Done. So there are two benefits of using paint. The colour looks richer. The consistency of the paint is easier to control than a colour pencil. Once you have put colour pencil on top of paint, again you get a richer quality rather than brown on top of white paper. Brown on top of another brown, which is painted brown, it sticks to the surface quicker and you get a much quicker result. So now I advocate we practice painting and maybe colour pencil on top of painting. Here I did paint on top of colour pencil, but I believe that these two techniques are visually more exciting and consistent than these two. So now I advocate we experiment using paint. So in your designs, try to colour some of your letters or your shapes with flat, consistent colours.